In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use vertical tabs in Chrome. We'll walk through two approaches using the built-in vertical tabs feature available via flag in Chrome Canary, and using an extension in the regular Chrome browser. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can pick the method that fits you best. First, let's enable the vertical tabs flag in Chrome Canary. Open Chrome Canary on your computer. In the address bar, type Chrome, flags and search vertical tabs and press enter. This opens Chrome's experiments page right at the setting you need. Find the vertical tabs flag and open the drop-down next to it. Choose Enabled. When you do, a relaunch button will appear at the bottom of the window. Click Relaunch to restart the browser and apply the change. Don't worry, your open tabs will come back after the restart. Remember, this is an experimental feature, so names and placement may change over time. Once Canary relaunches, you can move your tabs to the side in two ways. The quickest way is to right-click any empty area on the horizontal tab bar and select Move Tabs to the Side, sometimes shown as Show Tabs to the Side. If you prefer the settings path, go to Settings, then Appearance, and look for Tab Strip Position. Change it from top to side. Your tabs will shift into a vertical sidebar on the left. Now let's manage your vertical tabs. At the top of the sidebar, here is a collapse button, typically an arrow. Click it to minimize the sidebar and show only site icons, which is great for saving space on smaller screens. To adjust how much room your tabs take, drag the edge of the sidebar to make it wider or narrower. Vertical tabs work with tab groups, so you can organize related pages together and quickly expand or collapse groups. You'll usually find the New Tab button at the bottom of the strip, right next to your groups. At the top, look for the Tab Search button to quickly find a page when you have a lot open. If you are using the regular Google Chrome, you can get vertical tabs with an extension. Open Chrome and go to the Extensions section on the home page. Then select Chrome Web Store. In the search bar at the upper left, type Vertical Tabs. Look for Vertical Tabs Inside Panel, known for reliability and simplicity. Click it. Then choose Add to Chrome and confirm by selecting Add Extension. After it installs, an icon appears near the top right. Click it to show your tabs vertically on the side for easy scrolling and management. Thanks for watching.